Good morning, guys. How are you? Let's draw another Alena pattern. This is from box number 3. If you guys are interested in her cards, I believe she is no longer selling the actual cards, but she is doing digital downloads of this, so you can still get her patterns. This is Leafs, L-I-F-S. So we're going to draw these sort of leaf shapes and then building upwards like this, kind of like a artichoke. And then we're going to draw a little tall, thin, like triangle and some zigzags around. And then on one side, we're going to do little lines like that. You could do them on both sides. She's done them on both sides here in her sample. I do like this. I think that contrast is nice. I'm going to do it on this red piece of paper because that's what I pulled out. And I think I'm going to draw it in white. I'm going to try it. Do I have a nice pointy white pencil? Let's work on. Let's empty out my pencil sharpener, shall I? Making a mess. Of course I am. Is that a clear thing? Yeah. Okay. Wrong way. Okay. Nice sharp pencil. Let's try that. It doesn't feel very bright. I wonder if I know that's the create a color. Oh, but that's a water-based pencil. That's not going to work. Okay. The watercolor pencils are always going to be a little less pigmented. Let's try this one. This one is the Titanium White Castle Arts. See how white that is. That's better. That's better. Okay, so I don't want to use the Prismacolor because I know that won't hold a nice sharp line. I could probably dig out my. Let me look in my bin here. Let me look in my colored pencil bin. This end. This end is my whites. Have I got? I have a Faber-Castell Polychromos white. Let me try that one and see if that one's got a better pigment. Come on. Sharpen. Why are you not sharpening? Are you fatter? Let me put it in the regular pencil. I've got a colored pencil thing and then I got a regular pencil thing. That one's more of a regular pencil size. Okay. Let's try this. Yeah, that makes a better line. Okay. We're going to draw with this one. That works. Perfect. Okay. So we're going to do some leaf-like shapes. that's going the wrong direction. Can I erase? Sort of. Just gonna leave it. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. One more over here. Like that. Okay. Then we're gonna do like this. That. Something like that. And then we're going to do lumpty bumps all along this edge. Okay, and then this edge, maybe I'll sharpen again. I want it nice and sharp. Like that. Right? Right. Okay. And then this gets lines going this way. Along those lumpty bumps. Okay. Now my question is, I do want some sort of shading to make those pop, but I don't think I want black. Let's try this color for in here. Can you tell that's even a different color? I guess you can. It's sort of a silvery gray. I think I'm going to do like a dusty purple maybe. Maybe move this. Where's my purples? Purples. Maybe a mauvey purple. Maybe something like this. Something like that. Can you see that? I can see that. Okay, a little bit of sharpening. Something like that. I'm getting there. There we go. Yeah, something like that. I think I want a little darker right there. Can I get one that's just a slightly darker? Let's see. Still a mauvey purple, but more dark. Maybe this one. No, that's going to be too brown. I want it more purple. Maybe this one. Something like that, maybe? Oh yeah, now you can see it better. That purple is better than the kind of mauve color. Perfect. Okay. Excellent. That is what I want to do. Alright, you guys have a great day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place one person at a time. I need to sign this. And this was called Leaves. L-I-F-S. Leaves. Okay. Alrighty, that wasn't so difficult. That came out good. I like it. So you guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. You know what? We can do this. As a community, we can make the world better. We can. I believe it. All right, you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.